Our career tech major offers hands-on on hand tools, manual machining, CNC programming, measuring, and CNC operation.
I chose my career tech major because I like to work with my hands, so I saw the shop here and I decided that I liked the equipment and I wanted to work here.
The certifications that our students can obtain in this program are KUKA robotic training. We are also NIM certifying and the OSHA 10-hour card. We have 4 competitions basically for this career tech program.
I'm involved with Skills USA. I competed for CNC lathe last year and I took first place in the region.
We are one of the only regions that have Haas running parts for them. So the students actually physically get to see their program run on the machine. Internships have been at NASA, SFS, FIT, and we've had students in small shops around the area.
I went and worked for a place that did machining. I was the lathe operator for them and I earned graduation credit. It was a good opportunity for me. This year I'm enrolled in AP Physics. I'm also enrolled in Honors English. Last year I had AP Calculus and Honors English also.
They can go to a career tech school. They can go on to some of the local colleges, can also study under an apprenticeship.
It's helped me form a direction to go after high school. I didn't really know what I wanted to do. Coming here has given me an idea of what I wanted to spend my life doing.
Try and get involved as much as you can and learn as much as you can. The more that you learn and the more that you are capable of doing, the more valuable you are.